Hello, everybody. It is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. I hope all your assignments are going well at home so far. I have heard from a lot of parents and a lot of students that are doing a great job at home, and they're letting me know what they're doing. So I've been really excited to hear from you guys. Today, we're just going to do 3 quick math things. If you notice, the last one is another estimation jar. So I have the jar sitting down here, and we'll do that last. First, we're gonna do what time is it? So I brought the big clock from school, and I'm gonna set it real quick, and then I'm gonna show it to you, and you guys at home, go get a piece of paper and something to write with, and just try to write down what time it is, okay? You don't have to send me anything, but this is just for practice to make sure you guys can still write down times on the clock, okay? Here's your first one. What time is it? If you need to pause the video and write it down, because I'm just gonna show you the time and then I'll keep going, okay? Let's check how you did. So, we know that when we look at the hour hand first, which is the shorter one, it is after the 3, but it's not quite to the 4 yet, so we know it's 3 o'clock something. And then we know that when the minute hand points straight down, it's half past the hour, so it's 3:30, which you can also count these by 5s. My clock has them all counted by 5s for you. So 3:30, anytime it's pointed down, that's at the 30 minutes after. Okay, let's do another one real quick. Okay, you'll notice that I left the minute hand the same place, but the hour has changed. So write down what time it is now. So hopefully you're noticing that it's after the 7, so it's not quite to the 8 yet. So it is 7:30. Okay, let's do a little bit of a harder one. Okay, what time is it? So write it down. Hour first. The hour is pointing right after the 2, so it's 2 o'clock and something. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 2:25. Nice job. One more. Now this is a little harder because it's in between. It's not pointing to exactly one of the numbers. But as always, look at the hour first. It's 4 o'clock and something. To look at our minutes, we just have to start counting. It's past 5, but it's at 6 and 7. 4:07 is how we write that. Good job. Okay. Next, keep your piece of paper out. I'm going to show you some quick math facts and see how quick you can either write them down or just yell them back at the screen, okay? 4 times 3. Remember, you can pause it, you can write this down, and you can figure it out, and then you can keep playing the video and see if you got it right. 4 times 3, you might be doing 4 groups of 3 and counting them all up. Did you get 12? Okay. 9 times 5. So I hope that you're noticing when it's multiplying by 5 that you could be counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. How'd you do? And do a couple more like that. 7 times 2. 7 times 2. You could either count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, or you could have just doubled the 7 because you're doing it 2 times. Okay, 10 times 4. I know a lot of us find our 10s pretty easy because we can, just like 5s, we can just count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. Oh, I forgot to write 40 on there. 40. Okay, one more. 3 times 8. 3 times 8, 3 groups of 8. So you have 8 and 8 and 8 again. You got 24. Good job. Okay, last thing. We're going to estimate how many cubes are in the jar again. Now, I used the same jar, the same cubes, but I hope you guys are noticing how much more full the jar is. So I will show you what's in here. I want you guys to send me your guesses again. Text me, email me, have your parents send me a message. Tell me how many cubes are in the jar now. Remember from the video before, you guys know how many there were before. You could go back and look at that video if you need some help. And now it's overflowing. We'll look at the answer later, okay? Send me your guesses. Bye.